Yeah, so what's up, YouTube? As you can see, I just picked up the Toro Bravo 4s. I don't know, I was really indecisive. It's like, do I really need another red and black shoe? But I'm finna do a review when I actually get home. See you in a few. What's up, YouTube? I am back with another review, and the sneaker that I got the last time, I didn't even post that video. I don't think I have a problem recording the videos. I think I have a problem taking the time out to edit the videos. But I think I'm gonna do it. What was the last pickup? What was my last pickup? Was it the white metallics? I don't know. Anyway, long day. Did I pick up any of his sneakers after? I don't know. Anyway, to make a long story short, here it is. I stopped by Snipes. It is officially a Monday, which means that the Toro Bravo 4s did not sell out. I was a little bit I was a little bit indecisive. You know, if you watch previous videos, my favorite color is red. But I also feel like I got a lot of red sneakers. You know, even in the course of this year, I felt like the flight clubs, which I actually have on feet right now, to be honest. I should have did a check. Oh, I didn't mean to show you the dirty part. But anyway, so the Flight Club 4s, these were my first pickups of the year. But anyway, that's red, white, and black. Then I got the Cherry 13s this year. That was red, white, and black. What else was, I got the infrared 6s. That was kind of like infrared and black. I'm trying to think. I don't know, either or. Anyway, we got the box, nothing extraordinary, just Michael Jordan's face on it. Yeah, but I think for me, I was like, do I really? But the fact that it's kind of like an all red shoe, so to speak, not all red, but predominantly red, that made me want to get them. The fact that they're 4s, you know, because I'm a fan of the 4s, to be honest. So we're going to unbox these. Okay, I don't think it comes with a double pair of laces. There's some mixed reviews on this, right? A lot of people are calling the shoe ashy, right? They feel like it's not as vibrant. The red is not as vibrant as the 2013 pair. I think this is new buck, to be honest. I feel like, one, I definitely like it, right? It's the 4s. I love the fact that they have the black. Love the fact that they got the Jumpman. It's a good combination of red, black, white, and gray. So I feel like it's a lot that you could actually do with this in terms of styling it. And to be honest, I might just let these sit for a little, to be honest. I'm definitely, I've seen some lace swaps where it's like they had white laces. I don't know, and it did look fire. But I don't know if I want to keep these black. But either or, I'm definitely going to loosen up the laces and have them hanging, as I do with the majority of my 4s. You got the neck caging, and then they got the black on the inside, which I think is a really cool and unique detail. Does the shoe look ashy? In my personal opinion, I don't know if you could see with the lighting on. It's just the red is not as vibrant, but you can still see that the shoe is red. So for me, you know, I definitely like them. That's what it looks like on the bottom. And then, of course, you got that new shoe smell. Some people have applied mink oil to pretty much brighten up the red. For me, it's just like, what is the best way to describe it? It's more so like a faded red. But anyway, still all in all, a really great shoe. Really great pickup. I feel like it's a lot that you could actually do with this. I don't know. Now that I feel like to tone down the white, I might put white laces in these. I'm indecisive. I'm not really certain. I might even try it with the mink gold, to be honest. But the mink gold only lasts but so long, right? Then you're going to have to continue to apply it. Nevertheless, I feel like it's a faded red. I think it's a really, really nice shoe. I love that detail, like with the netting and then the black on the inside. It gives it some form of depth. So I really, really like that about this shoe. And then we got the white Jumpman on the front. That's all for the shoe. I think it's a really cool pickup. If you like the video, you can like the video, right? Even if you don't like the video, you can still like the video, comment, subscribe. I recently hit 1,000 subscribers. And I just want my channel to continue to grow. So if you're looking for fashion-based content or sneaker-based content, feel free to subscribe. I do be subscribing back, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. People say it's ashy. I just think that it's not as a vibrant red. Depending on the lighting and everything like that, I just think it's more of a faded red. I don't think it gives ashy. It just gives more of a faded red. But nevertheless, look at the colors on that. They got the white Jumpman, then they got the black back tab, and then they got the air bubble, they got the white, they got the gray, they got the black. So it's a really good combination of colors, to be honest. So another red shoe to my collection. The next sneaker that I'm actually looking forward to be honest, if I'm being honest, the True Blue 3s. I think they release in July. I want to be able to pick those up. Definitely the Space Jam 11s, but that's not until December. I definitely want the Space Jam 9s, because 9s is a very, very comfortable shoe. So with that being said, hopefully you like this video, this review. Let me know your thoughts on it. I don't think it's ashy. I just think it's faded, but I also think it's a beautiful shoe. And because it's predominantly red, when I step, I'm going to have to step hard. So let's see what I style these up with. Subscribe if you want to see what I actually style these up with. But I do think that I'm going to have to let these sit a little to make sure that when I actually do bring these out, that it's styled appropriately, to be honest. And I got a little bit of glue details on there. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm out.